Good morning, everyone. Our presentation is about the HR technology change. In our presentation, we will talk about first the introduction of the topic, what we are presenting. Second, the importance of the adoption of HR technology change in today's world. Third would be the impact of HR technology change, how the technology in HR is impacting the different factors of workplace nowadays. Fourth would be the issues and the implications. With a lot of benefits, we also face the issues and what needs to be stopped in the HR technology change. And fifth would be the strategies and considerations, what we need to do to prevent these issues. And the last would be the conclusion. HR technology change refers to the process of implementing, upgrading, or transitioning to a new technologies and systems within the human resource function of an organization. This includes the adoption of innovation software, tools, and platforms designed to streamline HR processes, enhance efficiency, and improve overall workforce management. Thank you.
Importance of HR technology. Organization can streamline repetitive operations, optimize workflows, and get rid of manual processes by adjusting to advancement in HR technology. Access to a huge variety of data about employee performance, engagement, and other important indicators is made only possible by the modern HR tools. The gig economy, remote work, and diverse workforce demographics have made it necessary for organizations to have flexible for solutions that can change their evolving demands, and embracing HR technology advancements give our organization a strategic edge in today's competitive business environment. Thank you.
So, human resources is changing, as is the technology within the workplaces. We see that there are many different ways to measure data and payroll. Thanks to new metric systems, we have ways for employees to anonymously let us know how they may be feeling in terms of environmental factors, safety, and personal requests due to ENPS, which is Employee Net Promoter Scores. This can give leaders the insight into how an employee is doing and how they may feel towards a task. This can help us determine whether they should be placed in a different position or not. We give them feedbacks and other tasks in which they will actually excel in. So, for example, a company can have a goal of reaching perhaps 50 flooring boxes in terms of sales, and an employee has shown outstanding performance in customer service but fails to reach certain sales goals. They can be placed in a job best fit to maybe the service desk. If they feel that they may be better in another position, leaders can later on allow trainings so that they can adapt those new skills until they're trained enough to perform as expected in the other area. We also have KPIs, which are key performance indicators, which allow us to like move employees to a better position in terms of their skills, right? So it gives us a perspective as to how an employee is involved based on the metrics provided. It can also include tracking overtime hours and salaries or revenue. And most companies even made it easy for employees to keep track of their own goals and activities by providing them with store apps where they can see their achievements, track performances, and see their own evaluations. Workforce, for example, is an app that allows employees to switch to their like work days with each other, maybe take time off without consulting their management team, so they could see it directly on the app, and they could even see their next paychecks if they need to. So compensation can be based on these examples, which allows for a certain payroll to be like determined for a specific job or job title, and it overall enhances the whole workplace experience.
Impact of HR technology change. So the impacts our study have indicated that proficient integration of HR technology can provide favorable consequences for organizational performance indicators, including but not limited to the productivity, employee contentment, and financial results. According to a Surgeon General of Applied Psychology, companies that used HR IT solutions saw increase in job satisfaction, a job arrangement, and retention. So the analysis is a strong leadership support, a clear alignment with organizational goal, efficient change in management techniques, and comprehensive data governance policies are important factors for contribution to success of HR IT adoption. Change adverse a lack of staff buy-in, a lack of staff training and support, and difficulties with system integration and data transfers are common obstacles to successful implementation of HR technology.
Here are the potential strategies and consideration. The first one is providing training to the employees. The second one is conducting tests to decrease the disruption. The third one is new HR policy. Fourth one is creating new HR policies to make more effective management.
So I'm going to talk about issues and implications of implementing new HR technology. So one of the issues is the financial effect of changing or improving current HR systems. So implementing an HR technology in a department, wherever is the department, it's still like something new to that department, which gonna cost more when it comes to hiring new specialists who can deal with that system, or delivering a training to the existing employee to know how to deal with that system and that new technology. So it's still expensive, it costs more, regardless of the effective way or the efficient way the job can be done with that system. So the second is the opposition to change among staff and supervisor. We may see some resistance from employers when it comes to integrating a new technology. So employee or supervisors might be used to that system, to the traditional system that they used to work with. So they might be kind of resistant to that new HR technology because it's gonna cost them time to learn how to use it and how to deal with it. So the third issue is fear of automation related job loss and relocation. As we see in our new world, this technology world, we see that a lot of positions are being replaced by robots. So we may see some resistance from employees as well when it comes to implementing new technology in HR, because they're gonna be having a fear regarding their job, like a fear of losing their job or being replaced with robots. The fourth issue is concerns about the security and privacy of data. So as an HR, there may be some concerns about security and privacy, because we know that an HR position, when an HR employee is handling some sensitive information about employees, about like the whole organization employees, because the HR employee is the one who deal with we know all of the compensation matters, holidays, and this HR employee has a quite of information about that employee. So HR employees may have some concerns about security and privacy of their employees' sensitive information.
So, in conclusion, in today's workplaces, using new technology for managing employees is really important. It means using the latest tools to make HR tasks easier and keep people working together. Companies can manage these tech changes by teaching their staff, trying out new things carefully, being careful with people's privacy, understanding those which are making things unsure, making plans to make handle changes carefully, and using data to make smart choices. By being open to these changes, companies can create a culture where they are always trying to improve. This helps them to reach their goals, stay competitive, and keep up with the workers. So, embracing these new HR changes isn't just a nice idea, it is important for businesses today. So thank you. This was for all of our presentation.